Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am having my lunch break, so come out to get some fresh air. So today is Pajama Day. This week there will be black and white day, and the Pajama Day, rock the socks day, or mismatched socks. And today is Pajama Day. Oh, this is my pajama. There are some of my colleagues more serious put a sleeping band, sleeping mask or cover, and with the soft fluffy. I only have this, and it's not even matching. But who wears pajama in matching set, right? Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, be happy every day and be silly every day. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.